Ni kia Ndizi TV korwa tiga bono kwariga ni bene asa mangana magia ye chigo sori buna botambe retera nenda mo Steven Captain 001 Noto chaka mangana magia ye chigo sori korwa se league ya Division 2 awa semege league ya FKF Premier League ya National Super League kunyara ko bake go chaka nigo bono ya beire ntunda ye league ya Division 2 go chaka na ya kwene kiguno mokonyi wo monyakero go bwekombegia Football Kenya Federation orosagirwa Kisii Moses Saiti uyo ena kiribono bune weekend yeye nigo chigo sori chi league ya Division 2 chirabe chigo chaka
Division 2 very above us ni tubado tunyibwete Central Zone kitimu chirororo bado chirichiane ngo last time to name just but a few Magina Nero, White Hat Nero, Marani Noere bado. So from Kisii County, Nyamira Sportive, Nabondo even the coaches are still training. Division 2 ngoja katori this weekend. Like now our teams in Group D, Maran is going to meet Magina. Magina is the one that is hosting on Sunday, and so many other matches are still going on. We are still coordinating in our Central Zone officials. Regional League, we have teams that have qualified, and some of them are already in the league. Which have been promoted to Division 2. Still the teams come from our region. In Regional League and the Division 2, we have more teams than any other from this region. So let us interact. Even the coaches, I want us to form an exchange program to again